Hello guys, review OnePlus Nord CE3 Lite. This version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory. Okay. Look complementation. In complementation we have adapter for charging, quick charge 67 watt and red cable type C. Okay, that's all complementation. And this we have of course protected back cover, documentary and a key for a SIM slot. Okay. Green color, double camera, triple camera on the back side LED. On the front side display 6.7 inch. Warm buttons on this side. Power button with fingerprint scanner on this side. Slot for nano SIM cards. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Settings. About. Oxygen OS 13.1. Snapdragon 695 CPU. RAM memory 8GB. And storage we have 128GB. Look onto the benchmark. Onto the benchmark results. Yes. And Geekbench 6 results look. GPU Adreno 690. Single core score, multi-core score. And GPU results. Okay. GTA San Andreas works on the medium graphic level, PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.